In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Base44 web app into an IPA file so you can upload it on the App Store. Open up Base44, click on Start Building, then here we are just going to select Apps and open up the app which you want to convert into an IPA file. Now once you have your app open, you will click on Publish and make sure that your app is published here. So if you click it, you can access it. And now we will need to copy the link. So copy the link, then go to this website, median.co, and you will just paste the link for your web app and click on Build Your App. Once you click on Build Your App, then here you can set a name for it, and you will just click on Start Building My App. So I'm just going to do that. Gonna paste my email. Okay, just like that, and now it is gonna begin building. You can track the progress here in the top corner or from the top. Now, once this has completed building, you will go to Build and Download. In order to get access to your IPA file, you will need to have connected your account to your Apple developer account. So here you can sign in using your email and password. And once you sign into your Apple developer account, then you will simply click on Build. This is gonna build the IPA file, and once it has completed, then this button is gonna become Download, and you will be allowed to download your app in IPA format. In this case, I'm just showing you for APK because I don't have access to a Apple developer account. But once this has completed, it is just going to show you download. So I'm gonna come back. Okay, and just like that, once it has completed building, like I said, you can click on download and you can download your IPA file if you do it from the top option here. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.